Hey guys, what's going on? And welcome back to the part 3 of how to make a time trial Roblox timer thing on Roblox Studio. So in the previous two parts, we have made a working timer and a working PB system that saves when you leave and rejoin. And then last episode, we have actually made an automatic leaderboard that also saves. And now let's say people in your game already started not abusing, cheating and exploiting, and they got they got unlegit times. So when that happens, you of course want to remove them. But the only way to remove them yet is through going in the leaderboard script and changing this to something else. But then the whole leaderboard will be reset. Well, in today's video, we're going to make an admin panel that is going to be able to remove the times from the leaderboard. So let's get started. First off, we have to make a screen GUI inside of the starter GUI. We're going to name this admin panel. Inside of this, there's going to be a frame. We're going to make it a frame, and you can position it and stuff wherever you want, however you want. You can design it however you want. I'm going to just name this main frame. And then in here, you guys want to make a title, of course. At least that's what I always do. I'm going to just customize this a little bit. I'm going to make it admin panel with some very epic font. And then we're also going to add a text box inside of this. We're going to name this user name like this. You can drag it here or something. Actually, wait, we're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna put it like this, and then like this. All right. Now, this thing is going to have no border, so border size pixels to 0, and the background color, I'm gonna make this a bit lighter. All right, just like this. Now you can also customize it really however you want. I'm gonna add a roundify to it, not to the title but to the username text box, which didn't really work because boom, now it kind of worked. And then we're gonna just change this edge index to 2, and this is 1. Yeah, and now we're gonna make the placeholder text. We're going to change this to username. This way, and we're going to make it text scaled, of course. So this way, the people can already see what they have to put in if you made them admin in your game, and they don't have to they aren't completely lost and don't know what to do. So yeah. Now we're just going to make a text button inside of the mainframe. And that is going to be the submit button. So we're just gonna put it like this. We're gonna make the background color this time a lot darker, maybe like this actually. And then border size pixel 0 again, text scaled. Maybe we're actually also going to change the text color, of course, and we're gonna also change the text to submit. Alright, so if I just now go into the game, actually, I'm going to change this border size pixel to 0 as well, so that it doesn't have a border. So, let's just go into the game. Now, let's say you were just a normal player playing your game for the first time, and they already have the admin panel. That wouldn't really make any sense, right? So, what you guys want to go ahead and do is, you guys actually want to, oh, cool, new PB. You guys actually want to make a script inside of, you guys will need to make I'm just gonna show you. It's hard to explain, but in the ServerScript service, for example, in the data saving, it actually doesn't really matter, but yeah. So this is going to be put inside of the replicated storage. Okay, we're not going to do that yet, but keep in mind this is going to be in the replicated storage later. So that because if I put it in here, then no one has it. It's not appearing on the screen. But if it's in the screen GUI, then it's public and visible to everyone. So there are of course other ways to do it, but I like to do it with the replicated source, so no one actually has this GUI in their player GUI. So yeah. So inside of the data saving script, for example, there's going to be this game.players.playerAdded connect function. This player added function, okay? There's going to be a same in the leaderboards. Yeah, no. So you guys want to do it inside of this little bit. Or what I would highly recommend you to do it is in the same script where you will actually remove the time from the leaderboard, and that is the leaderboard script. So we're gonna just add a function which is first game get service players, and we're gonna make like local players equals game get service players, and then players.playerAdded connect function PLR or player. I'm actually making it player now. And then we're gonna do if player.name is equal to, and then in here you guys want to put your username. Mine is this ConRadio_2009, but yours is of course different. So you guys want to put your username, or if you have multiple admins, you can just put or and then your admin's name, stuff like that. So you guys just want to do that, but I'm just gonna keep it just for myself. So if the player name is ConRadio2009, then we're gonna do replicated storage, wait for child, and it's gonna be named admin panel. The GUI is admin panel, which is going to be in the replicated storage. It's not yet there, but we're gonna do that. So we're gonna do that, and then dot parent is equal to player.player GUI. So this admin panel GUI is going to be parented to the player GUI of the player who joins, but that is only gonna happen if the player name is this, like ConRadio2009 in this example. So that just makes it so only we have the admin panel. So we're just gonna leave the script. And now we're gonna actually add something to make this appear, because we don't always have like we don't want to always have like a huge frame on our screen. So we're gonna actually make this main frame invisible, and then we're gonna add a text button inside of this. And this text button is you can really just change it however you want. I'm gonna name it open button. I'm gonna add a UI corner into it. That way it's making it like it's getting a bit round. You can change this to like 30 if you want to, and you guys can also like rescale it so that it's an actual circle. I want mine to be pretty big, but not too big. So like this, and then this just needs to be changed to like 75, and then actually wait, this is too big. So you can just choose your style how you want it to be. I have it like this now. Now we have border size pixel 1. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to have a border size pixel, but I don't think we want that. You can make the background color really whatever you want. I'm gonna make it like grayish already, but not too gray. I'm gonna just text scaled. Rich text, it doesn't really change anything except it just looks super weird. It's dumb. So just change it to text scaled and not enable rich text. And then what's this? Okay, we're gonna do the text color, so you can really just change it. I'm actually gonna make it darker than the gray on it, and I'm gonna change this to panel. So that is going to open our panel. Not yet, but that is we're gonna plan on doing that. But to do that, we first need to insert a local script inside of the open button. You can name it however you want. Inside of here, we just want to write a really simple script. So we're going to do script.parent.mousebutton1up connect function. Oops, not cframe, function. There we go. And then we're going to do script if script.parent.parent.mainframe.visible is equal to false, then script.parent.parent.mainframe mainframe.visible is equals to true. Then we're going to do else script.parent.parent.mainframe.visible is equal to false. So this is going to make it, I'm going to show you real quick. So if we just go ahead and play the game. Oops, yeah, Roblox Geo is bugging for me sometimes. I don't know if it's a problem only I have, but it's sometimes just a gray screen appears. Okay, there we go. So we're inside of the game. Now we have the panel button. Not because we made the script, like in the server script service we changed it so that only we have it. Right now everyone would have it, but because we still have it in our starter GUI. But if we just click this, the admin panel will open, and if you just click it again, it'll close. Of course, you can just tweak this a bit. For example, you can change the text here to open panel. And this does look a bit weird because of the scaling. But you could make it like this, and then let me try something. Then you could also change the text size to like 30, or actually wait, I'm gonna do 40. Like this, and then you can do you can change the text to whatever is right in the situation. So if the GUI is closed, so if the frame is like not visible, we want it to say open panel because we can open the panel. But if it's visible, we want to close the panel maybe, and then it should say close panel. So we can just basically go here. So this is gonna be the circumstance. This is going to enable it. So as soon as it's enabled, as soon as the main frame is visible, we're gonna change the text of script.parent. So the script.parent.text is equal to close panel. And then here, so when we're closing the GUI again, we're gonna do script.parent.text is equal to open panel. Alright, we're gonna test that right now. There we go. Now if I click open panel, it'll just do it like that. And if we click close panel, so like it works perfectly. It shows us whether we can open it or close it, and that's exactly what we want to do. So now we want to actually get working on the submission. So we want to actually make it be able to remove times from this leaderboard. So in order to do that, we want to insert a script inside of the text button. Just going to rename it to submit button. We can insert a local script in here. Now for this, I'm just going to name it submit or remove script. For this, we will actually need to insert a replicated a remote event inside of the replicated storage. I'm going to name it removing time. Just like this. Now in the remove script, we want to put local replicated storage is equal to game get service replicated storage, and then local event is equal to replicated storage wait for child removing time. So then we're just gonna do local username is going to be equal to script.parent.parent.username.text. And yeah, that's kind of it. So now we're going to do script.parent.mousebutton1up connect function. We're going to do if user, actually wait, yeah. So we're just going to make it so that it instantly gets the user ID of the player that is entered, like the username that is entered. To the Roblox actually has a good feature with this, so we're gonna do local user ID is equal to username. Actually, no, game get service players, and then get user ID from name async. And in here, we're just gonna put username. So that is going to get the user ID of the username that is going to be put in there. And then we're just going to be doing event fire server event fire server, and then we're just gonna put username. No, user ID actually. Sorry, user ID. So now it's gonna get the user ID data into the remote event, and it's gonna fire the server. And now we can go into our leaderboard script. And we're just gonna go ahead and do wait, why does it fail to get the user? Did I misspell it or something? Wait. Conradio_2009. Boom. That should be the right one. I don't know. Still says that error, so it's only this error. So okay, wait. Why does this not work? Wait, one sec. Okay, so in this case, what we could do is we could do print user ID to see if what it prints. So we're just gonna view the output again. We're gonna make it smaller though, because this is way too big. So let's join the game. So there we go. You see our time is still on the leaderboard. If we just put this here, it does. It still says nothing, and it doesn't print anything. So not really sure right now. Wait, what could be wrong actually? What did I do wrong? What? Okay, I'm just gonna like remove this, I guess. Then remove this, oops. So I'm just gonna do like script.parent.parent.username dot like local name is equal to script.parent.parent.username dot text, and then local ID is equal to game get service players, and then get user ID from name async, and then name, and then replicated storage, wait for child, removing time, and then fire server ID. So now let's try that. I hope it works. So we're inside. We're gonna enter our username. And oh, the time is removed. Okay, so I don't really know what I did wrong there, but basically the thing is removed. Now the only issue is if I try to get a time, which is not my personal best, but it would appear on the leaderboard, it doesn't appear on the leaderboard. So that is kind of bad. So you guys need to fix, not really a fix, but it's just a thing that makes it more realistic. On the wait for child, we're also going to do PLR dot personal best dot value equals to 0, equals to math dot huge. No, actually, yeah, dot value equals to math dot huge. That was the original value from the personal best value, so that just also resets the personal best of the person who we want to remove the time of. So right now our PB is 0.4. We're going to enter our username, and now it's going to be infinite. And now we can just go ahead and get a bad time, and it will actually appear on the leaderboard, as you guys can see. So yeah, that was it with this whole video. I really hope you enjoyed. Sorry for like the errors and stuff. I didn't really I don't really know actually why it didn't work. I kind of didn't really do anything differently, but I guess it's fixed now, so just do it as I do. Also, if you want to get the model yourself, like if you want me to give you all the scripts, so that you can basically just put them in your game and just change the things you need to change, you can go ahead and DM me on Discord. It's going to be in the description, like my Discord name. You'll just be able to DM me and also ask me any further questions. Now, of course, the model isn't free, but you know I don't need a lot, so you can just DM me if you need any help. And that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more suggestions, please leave them down below. I will definitely also make a tutorial on how to make the timer like a multiple course, like so that it works on multiple courses. So that I have like a Candyland obby or something, and that it works for the Candyland obby as well, and that it also resets the PB. But for now, that is what we're going to be doing today. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.